everyone. This is Manisha and you are watching me. Sorry, you are listening me on the Formula 3 app. In the past few videos, we have seen some amazing features and some formulas and functions of the Excel. In this video, today we are going to some amazing functions. Sorry, we can see some amazing options of the Microsoft Excel. So let's begin. Today we are going to learn the best special. So we all know, I'm assuming that you all know how to copy and paste the data. We copy the data from the right click, just right click, and from here we copy the data. And the paste option, we do the pasting the data. And in the Microsoft Excel, here we have the paste option. Today, we are going to learn all these options. The shortcut for copy is Control C and the shortcut for paste is Control V. Let's see if I want to copy this. I can right click and copy and paste wherever we want. We can paste that by this option, or we can do again by the shortcut that is Control C and Control V. Now you are thinking that what is special in that? There is a special is that whatever the data you are copying, it get copies as it is. Let's take example of this cell. You can see this red background cell. In this, if we copy it by the Control C and if we paste it here by the Control V, the whatever the background color or whatever the formatting, whatever the size, whatever the font style, all things are copied here. You can see this is bold, again this is bold. So this is paste. Paste means that we do, that is Control V, that is the this option. We can directly do the Control V or we can paste it from here. Okay, it copies whatever at sorry, whatever the cell's content, that is as it is. So next is paste values. Now you can see if I want to paste value, in this cell you can see the background is green, and if I do not want that green background, I just want the text, whatever is written here that is green, I just copy that text only. In that case, we use the paste value option. Just Control C and select activate this cell, the where you want to paste the value. Go to this option and just paste value. You can see the change. Here, background is not copied, only the value it contains that is copied. You can, we will do one more time, just Control C, and here we want to paste the value. So because of that, I have activate the cell and paste value. Again, same thing, background is not copied and value is get copied. Now we will see the paste formula. Here we have seen the paste value. Now we will see the paste formulas. So in this sheet, I have taken a simple data set. So by learning these things on small data set, we can apply those things on a big data set. So while learning stage, for not more confusion, we are doing practice on small data set. So you can see the formula here. Now, if we want to copy the formula, in that case, just Control C. And if I want to copy that formula, so paste that formula here, in that case, just select that cell and go here, paste formula. Now you can see the change here. here the value is 3,39,000 and here value is 261. But where is the formula? The formula is here. You can see in the formula bar, the formula is here and it has taken these values for the summation. And here you can see the formula in the formula bar and these values are taken for the formula. So one more thing is here. Here for this sum formula, these values is taken. The same way, even though if we have copied the formula, so Excel has automatically selected the above cells for the summation. This now, is the magic of next the Excel. Is that so paste formatting. So I always tell you that see the paste formatting super easy. Now we will take the example of this cell. Here you can see the color is background and this is bold. Now if I want same formatting for this cell, I write some number here. Now just Control C, copy it, activate the cell and go here and paste formatting. Now you can see the magic. The background and font style, font size, all these things are copied in the cell. This is paste formatting. So again we will do the same thing. Copy, activate the cell and paste formatting. Here we did not put any value because of that it is showing as blank but formatting is copied here. So next is paste transpose. Now what is transpose? Transpose means transferring the position, whatever the position of the columns that will become the position of the rows and vice versa. So we will do the paste, we will see the paste transfer. Now for that I am selecting this much of data, Control C and I am pasting it over here. Sorry, we have to do paste transpose. Okay. Now we will do paste transpose. You can see the change. Whatever the columns, color, region and product, those become rows. And whatever the rows, green, yellow, blue, red, those become column. This is very super easy option and very simple option. This is paste transpose. Now the another option is paste link. Paste link means what? Whatever the if you are doing changes in the original cell, those changes or that change will reflect in the cell where you have pasted that data. So we will see with this with the example. Now here the number is 1,20,000. Control C and we want to paste it here. Go to the paste option and paste link. The same number is pasted here. If we do some change here, let's make it 3,000. Now you can see the change here. That 3,000 which you have changed here, that change is reflect here. Here again the value became 3,000. So that's it for today's video. We have seen some amazing options of the Microsoft Excel. Stay tuned for the more videos. If you like the session, please like the session, subscribe to the channel and share the session to your friends and the students which are eager to learn Excel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.